Bro, did you know? Did you know I'm gonna go live in 24 hours? Yeah, why? And what's up? You wanna hop on my live? What's up?
One of you can go ahead and take that.
I joined! Motherfucker. Hey, piece of shit. I'll show you something. Can I show you something? Okay. Apple! This is the most first stuff. I know you're in here. Okay. I have the same exact one though. Well, this is not my sunset. That's not my sunset. What the fuck? I swear I have a sunset. This is my sunset. This is my baby one. Look at this. Look, my baby tiny. Baby tiny. Also, I have a tiny cracker. I have that too, little bro. Fuck you. Fuck you. That's good. There you go. I don't think I can buy any. You're a giant for me now. Holy shit! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Yeah, you went. Shit! I can't see you falling down. No shit. No shit. Shit. Sure, little nigga. Nowhere? You don't need to know. I'm gonna go kill myself so I can get even bigger. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, look at this. A big giant falling in the void is crazy. I'm back, Uncle Trevor. Who the fuck is he? Trevor? Trevor? Careful! Careful! No, thank you. No, thank you.
Bro, who are you? Who are you? Who are you?
Oh shit. Oh shit. Who are you? Is he going in Nut Horizon? What? Oh, Trevor? He's following me. I think my fingers are too fat. Bro, join Join a random code. I'm gonna join you. Piece of shit. Can I? He ain't getting away that easy, boy. Yo, can you hurry up? I'm gonna do a rocket launcher battle with this guy. I know. I'm offline. What the fuck? I bet I'm gonna go kill myself. I killed myself. What the fuck on? What the fuck? You're still in the code. For me, you're in the code. No, you're not. I don't know where you are. Go online. Wait. For me, it just says it's in this room. You know, just join code DYLAN100. I'm joining. I'm joining you. No, man, he joined me. Get backpacks. Gadgets. Call the group. Call the group. Ah. Eva!
I'm calling the group.
Piece of shit. You motherfucker. What's up, boys? Sure. Wait, what? Cookie home. Shit. Trevor, get your stuff. Get your stuff. We're going to sewers. Or we might go. I'm gonna kill myself. I'm going to kill myself. I'm actually not even lying. Bro, bro, you're lucky. No, thank you. Oh. No, that. No! Guys, do you guys want me to get you a backpack? Oh, you Trevor. Trevor, I'm gonna show you. Trevor, I'm gonna show you how to get. I know. You piece of shit. Oh my gosh, why did I fall off? Am I not a goober? I'm a goober. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What do you mean? Of course we would. Oh my gosh. Please! Please! No, thank you. No, thank you. Trevor, where are you? No. Where are you? Shit. I'm gonna go get some big ass broccolis. But, are you big? How dare you? You can't be big without me. How dare you? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright. Of course you can. Yo, I might be bigger than you. Not gonna lie. Shh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Trevor, I'm bigger than you. Oh my gosh, you're dead. Did you die? Oh my. Where are you? Hi, guinea pig. Yo, I'm bigger than the whole map. Oh. Yo, Trevor, what happened? What happened to a big tree? It used to have leaves. Now it doesn't. What happened to the big leaves? No, you can't even fit in there, bro. I can draw. And I'm gonna be bigger than you. Trevor, if you wanna... Oh my gosh. If you wanna die... Oh, sorry. I'm gonna be bigger than you in a couple seconds. Hold on. Kieran, are you still on the call? Kieran. Yeah, I'm gonna be bigger than you in a couple seconds. What do you think you're going for? Look, I'm already bigger than you. These are gonna be mine. No. Bro, I'm gonna be bigger than the whole map, bro. Yo, I'm bigger than you, honestly, bro. Where's you? Okay. Can you get me some, please? No. I just can't get it. The zip lines are getting. I got infinity. Yeah, I'm being serious. I have that much money in Animal Company, though. Watch me get bigger than Trevor. Trevor, do you see me? Bro, I'm bigger than you. What the heck? Yes, another broccoli bot. Get your stupid... Oh no! I brought... Yo, Trevor, do you want this kind of broccoli? It makes you bigger than me. Trevor. I'm bigger than anything, bro. Bro, I can one shot, bro. Bro, what the heck? I mean, what the... No, please. Oh, you're saying you're huge now. Go check outside, buddy. See what's out there. Look at this guy. He's taller than ever. Where are you? Did you leave? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. I already did. I already did. Don't even get near me with the cheese, bro. You can't even find me. I'm tiny. That's what I'm wondering. I'm gonna go shoot with that sword. Oh. Where are you? Oh, hey, little guy. Hey, guy. I'm gonna go to sewers. Peace out, bro. Go to sewers, go to sewers, go to sewers, go to sewers. I'm going. Bro. My big self's getting drunk. I can't even get in. No. Go. Bro. Please! I died. I turned little. You know why? Because I turned little. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes, sir. Oh, you piece of shit. I'm gonna get you. Piece of fuck you. Fuck you, Trevor. Fuck you. Come here, you piece of shit. You're fucking slow as a. Ah! You piece of shit and I used shit. Can you even come? Did you glitch out of the map? You're in sewers and I'm not. What? When you move to red light, green light, go ahead. Move. You know why? Because he's stronger than you. Ra-ta-ta-ta-da. I want to kill you. Gonna get some more broccoli from Animal Company. Go, 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 go. I'm gonna be big. Watch this. Oh my gosh. Imagine I can be bigger than not. Alright. I'm gonna not. Oh, Trevor! You little fucking ant! So exact same size, Are you sure? Are you sure, bro? Look at top of you. Look on top of you. Look on top of you. He's your daddy. I'm your daddy. Cause I'm bigger than you. Bigger equals small size. Look at me, you. Look at me. Oh, you just glitched out. Look at me, bro. Look at me. Yeah. Hello, little ant. Damn it! Shit, mines. Shit. Shit, I turned it back into normal size. Did you die? Trevor, why are we doing this? Can we just like go to those sewers to get the to get money? Let's go get some money, Trevor. Why are you? I'm gonna go pick you up. Hey, hey, hey. Yo, get your stuff. What? Fuck no. It's good. Carry yourself. Yay, free OG item. Thank you, bro. This is mine. No, mine. Mine.
Oh, my VR died.
This is mine. Not yours. Hey. Damn it! Konnichiwa. Happy birthday, innit? Happy birthday. Mate, what are you doing? What the fuck? Did you guys see that? You saw that? What the frick? Oh my gosh, bro, I was gonna hit my door. Whoever wants these big nuts, go get them. Go get them. I'm gonna go sell
That should
one.
give me extra ammo,
Fuck
right?
you guys. Fuck you.
Go shit in your
You
mouth,
guys.
guys.
So
Damn. What the fuck? Is this a broccoli? What the? No. What are... Wait, I need a... No. Oh, stupid bitch, Trevor. Wait! What? Teleporter. Oh, you piece of shit. No, thank you. Oh my god! Damn, how did I get through this one? What the fuck? Can I? What? Drippy droppy, drop a trigger. I think that is huge ass. Ah! Drippy droppy, drop a trigger. Do not. Oh. Drop it, drop it, drop it. Hello? CV died. Oh, his VR died. The fuck was that crate? This one. Yeah, but grappler for me and Trevor just. No, I cannot. I cannot do this crate dirty. It's my sunset crate. Cannot do this crate dirty. So bad. Oh my gosh. Why do I... Fuck. I don't know if this is my last galaxy crate. This is my baby crate. I can't sell this one. This is my even tinier crate. Ooh. Which one's this one? This is my baby crate. This is the milk. This is that's my milk. What the fuck? That's it. I'm sorry, Curry, I have to kill you. No, my Curry. He was a nice young being. Tall, boom! Yo, Karen. Don't kill me.
Outside the zone.
All I ask, that's all I ask.
Yeah, your plan sure works. Yeah.
That's all I fucking just don't.
I just murdered a.
I can't if you quit killing me.
Okay, bitch.
Hey, bro, why you hit me up?
Well, that's just not my problem.
No, please.
Again, I dare you.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep doing it. Keep doing it. Just hear me like.
Ow! I just
Nah,
hit me. Ow! Thanks for the extra boost, dummy.
I don't know why I just gave you a shotgun when you just.
Get your ass over here.
I tried.
Dang it.
Oh boy.
Hey,
Who wants to go and
Thank
hunt
you,
the
so
mines
big.
with me? If you want to come to mines with me, raise your hand.
Because I need this. I need the heart.
red? Raise your hand.
Where is he? You piece of shit. Where are you?
I am Donkey Kong. I'm so sorry. Please, sir. I love you, family. Please. No, I'm so sorry. Oh.
See all these people I just killed?
Get away from me!
Oh my gosh.
Get away from me! Throw hands!
My gosh.
Yo, you took my weapon. You're not
Don't kill this bitch for us.
kill me. Nobody kill me,
him.
okay?
I killed him.
Don't kill me now. Don't kill me now.
Pink.
Shit.
Nobody kill me, okay? Nobody kill me.
No, don't kill me. Hey, broccoli! I mean, green guy. Oh shit! Oh shit! Mary Poppins.
Nah, yeah. What that was that?
Mary Poppins. I'm sorry, Mary Poppins. Oh shit! Holy shit! Hey, Mary Poppins. No.
Tralalero, tralala.
Tarolero, talala. Tarolero, talala.
That's what you get.
Bombardier.
Nobody kill me, okay?
Tiro, crocodilo.
I'm trying to tell someone.
Sasa ni idiota.
Chimpanzini. Bananini.
Putrapa.
Rapa.
Cappuccino. Ballerina.
You could have gotten that weapon.
Nah.
My heart!
Tarolero, talala.
Yo, stop, bro. Stop.
Problem. That's just not my problem. That's just not my problem.
Wait, I have to put my battery pack.
Nobody kill me.
Hey, stop it! You're such a... Hey. Got nothing in my brain, man.
Yeah.
And if I can't move...
Can't kill